You mean besides harboring an ancient, malignant spirit that continues to rattle around inside my skull?
That will subside when you leave the city, once you're on your own.
Then I better not dally. You know, I spent 8 glorious months covered in spit up, changing dirty diapers and reading bedtime stories to that sweet girl. Please give this to her. And tell her that her Auntie Bex loves her.
Sister, I will fix this. The Hollow was born on this land, and if I stay and study its power,
You are such a Michelson. Stubborn until the end. I'm gonna give you some advice that took me way too long to learn. Family is sacred, but so is love. What you have with Keelan